Hey, welcome back friends. So now in this video we are going to work with the change password file. Now in this video we are going to create a new file which name will be change password, and we can change or update the password using of that file. So what we need to do, simply first we will create a menu item here, change password, then we will create a new page and we will copy the text field codes from our dashboard and we will add in that change password.php file. So let's open our text editor, and inside this UI folder let's create a new file. Select first UI folder, then click on this option, or you can create directly from here. Okay, so the file name will be change password.php. okay, and we can copy all the code from blank.php file. Let's select all and copy, and let's click on change password.php and paste it here, and let's go on dashboard.php and add this files here. Okay, first let's add this 2 lines in my change password.php, because first we need to connect from our database. Perfect. Okay, and now let's open change password.php file from here, then open change password, and you can see this. So now we can do some edit here, and here we can give change password, and we can add here in card body. Let's first remove this all, this tags, remove this, and also remove this. Okay, now save, and let's see the output. Refresh our file, and you can see there. Okay, and feature, in the place of features we can give here change password. Save and refresh our file. Okay, and now we can add here, let's open first, open our pages folder here, and inside the pages you can see we have the forms, and from the forms we can open the general.html, and let me show you after opening. Then pages, and here we can go in the forms, and in the forms we can open the general.html, and you can see here lots of example of forms, so we can copy any form code from here. So you can see that, and let's copy this. Let me copy the horizontal form, and let's go back on our code editor, and here in general.html let's find by pressing Ctrl+F and paste horizontal form. Now we can get this. Okay, info. So this form we can copy from here, card info. Let's see the close division, so let's copy this. Okay, let's copy this. You can see here I just copied this from this tag, division tag, card info, and just after the closing tag. Okay, so I'm going to copy this code, and let's click on change password, and you can see here we can remove this. Okay, remove this, and let's paste here and save, and now let's see the output. Perfect. Now you can see here horizontal form, and we can add here. Okay, so first let's remove this checkbox and give here update password and remove this button from here. Okay, and copy this password field code and paste again here and give here confirm, or we can say repeat new password. Okay, and now save and see the output. So you can see here our form is looking perfect, and here in the place of email we just need to give the old password field. So let's go back on our code editor and copy this our password field again and remove this email field and just paste for the password. So here I can give old password, and here I can give new password. Okay, and in the placeholder I can give here new password, and in this placeholder I can give repeat new password, and here I can give old password. Now let's save and see the output, and now refresh our file. Perfect, you can see here old password, new password, and repeat new password. So now you can see here our old password, new password, and repeat new password. Okay, we just need to change the horizontal form. Here is our text which is horizontal form, and here we can give change password instead of horizontal form, change password. Now let's save and let's see the output. So you can see here our form design is completed now. So from the next video we will write code for our change password.php file. So I hope you got it what I have done here. So see you in next video.